Hello, in front of me I've got EPOMAKER F75 MAX. In this video I'll show you how to adjust function buttons. To change function buttons configuration, let's go to EPOMAKER App, go to Configuration and select FM Layer. Now select Output between Momentary and Toggle and tap button you would like to adjust. Now select function for this button and it's done. To remove the custom mapping, press the button with the right mouse button and select default key. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.